Assalamualaikum class 7 boys. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. So who will explain me what was our previous topic? Arshaman, can you please explain? Yes, we have done the practical work in the lab on Thursday's lesson. We have used the font size, font, color feature, and we have used the shortcut keys Hassan Bilal, can you please explain me which shortcut key we have used? Yes, we have used the shortcut key Control CTRL plus E. So why we are using the Control E shortcut key? Nuruddin? Well done. We use Control E shortcut which is used to center align. Who will explain which shortcut we have used in the next step? Abdul Hadi? We have used Control A shortcut key CTRL plus A. And what is the function of Control A shortcut key? Daniel, can you please explain? Well done, Daniel. The use of Control A is select all the text of a document. What is the next shortcut key we have used? Jazim, can you please explain? We have used the shortcut key which is CTRL Control plus L and CTRL Control plus R. So these two shortcut keys we have used in the last practical lesson. So what is the why we are using here? What is the function of Control L shortcut keys, boys? Josefa, Afsal, can you please explain? Yes, Control L shortcut key shift the text to the left side of the document. As we have, for example, we have a document, it's a center line. It means center of the document. It's a right side of the document. And it's a left side of the document. So we use the shortcut key Control E to center align the text between the page and center of the page. So next we use the shortcut key Control R to shift our text to the right side of the document. Right side of the document. And then we have used the shortcut key which is Control L to shift our text to the left side of the document. I hope this video lesson will help you to recall your previous lesson. Now we are going to start a new topic which is unit number 6, binary computing. Now we are going to start a new topic or today's topic which is binary computing, unit number 6. Unit number 6, binary based on all the number system. That's why they have given the name it as binary and computing. Computing means calculation and binary means 2. I want to explain the meaning of binary and computing. Binary means 2. Means 2. It means it has only two numbers, which is 0 and 1s. So we will discuss it after this lesson. So computing means calculations. Computing means calculations and binary means 2. In this chapter or in this lesson we will learn how computers understand the different types of number system. As we can speak in Urdu, we can speak in English, we are using some numbers. But computer is a machine, it only understands 0 and 1s. As we know, computer is a machine which only understands 0 and 1. 0 means, who will explain? Shamir, please. What is the meaning of 0 in computer sciences? Yes, 0 means absence of electronic signals. Absence or no electronic signals are received. Next we have ones. Who will explain what is the meaning of ones? Yes, ones means presence of electronic signals. P-R. Presence of electronic signals. So binary means 2, which means 0 and 1s. 0 means absence and no electronic signals are received, and 1s means presence of electronic signals. We can also say 0 means data is not received by memory, and 1 means data is received by the memory. For example, voice. The switch is off. It means no electronic signal is passed to the tube lights to turn on. When I press, I will give the input as 1. जैसे मैं input 1 दूंगी, so it turn on the tube light. So क्या हुआ? Tube light on हो गई. Next we have when I will turn off this tube light, it means no electronic signals are received by the tube light. That's why it's off. In same sentence, according to this, 0 means no electronic signal received and 1 means electronic signals are received, and presence of electronic signals, absence of electronic signals. Okay. So computers works on data. So who will explain me what is data? Yes, data means collection of raw facts and figures. What is data, boys? So what is data, boys? The word data derived from the word data. Data. So the word data derived from the word datum. Derived from word datum, which means something given. The word data derived from the word datum, which means give something. So basically the definition of give something given. So it means we are giving something, some information, some data to the other persons. So it is a collection of facts and figures. Data is a collection of facts and figures. So data is a collection of facts and figures. Data can be images, data can be audios, data can be videos, data can be numbers, data can be text, data can be special symbols, data can be a combination of all these. These are the examples of data. Data is a collection of facts and figures, and it derives from the word datum, which means something given. We can give the data by using some input devices, right boys? Yes, to give the data, we can give the data to the computers by using some input devices. Like input devices? Yes, keyboard, Musa. Mouse, very good. Like speakers, good. Well done boys, you are giving me the good examples of the input devices. So data is a collection of facts and figures. Data can be audios, videos, images, text, numbers, and the combination of these. Now we have different types of data and different forms of data. Like we can say that a form of verbs. So first we have verb, then we have form of verb. Same as it is. First we have data, which is a collection of facts and figures. Now we have forms of data. So how many types of data we have? Who will explain? Daniel. Good. So there are basic three forms of data. Forms of data. Harshavan, can you please explain the name of the forms of data? Yes, the first form is, we have basic three forms of data. First is numeric data, second is alphabetic data, and third is alphanumeric data. So first is numeric data, second is alphabetic data. So I want to show you something like this, boys. Alphabetic, and last one is alphanumeric. We have these three types of data. There are three forms of data. First is numeric data, second is alphabetic data, and third is alphanumeric data. So let's see an example. एक example ले लेते हैं और उसको देखते हैं. So like a keyboard, boys. Look at this keyboard. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. These are the forms of alphabetic data. So these are the forms of alphabetic data. If we will see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These are the forms of numeric data. And if we will combine both numeric data and alphabets, so it will change into alphanumeric data. So it will change into alphanumeric data. As I want to show you something else. So let's see another example. We have these names. So these names is based on which form of data, boys? Alphabetic data. Good. And the serial numbers is very good, is a form of numeric data. But when we will combine like this, और अगर हम इसको पूरे को combine कर देंगे तो it will change into alphanumeric data. So data is based on the three forms. First is numeric data, which consists of numbers. And if we are writing the word in English form, this form of data is alphabetic data. And if we are using both at the same time, like an email ID, अगर हम अपना email ID लिख रहे हैं, when you are typing your email ID, so we are using the alphanumeric data because it consists of numbers, special characters and alphabets also. ये मैं आपको दिखाने लगी थी boys. We have some symbols with the numbers also, जिसको हम shift के साथ भी use कर सकते हैं. और simple keyboard पे देखें, so we have division sign, multiplication sign, subtraction, addition, and we have plus and equal sign, minus, parenthesis, multiplication, and percentage sign, dollar sign, at the rate, exclamation mark. These symbols belongs to the alphanumeric data. These symbols belongs to the alphanumeric data. So we have learned that we have three different types of data. First is numeric data, which consists of numbers. Numbers, digits, and numbers. It can be simple or decimal points. Numbers can be simple like 78 and decimal point like 7.8. So these are the example of numeric data. Next is, who will give me the example of alphabetic data, boys? Huzaifa Afzal. Alphabetic data, which consists of fixed set of alphabetic characters. Consists of fixed set of alphabetic characters. It only consists of fixed set of alphabetic characters, like from small letters to capital letters, small a to small z, and capital A to capital Z. Example of alphabetic data is your name. Like my name is Maryam Batul, so my data is alphabetic data. This type of data belongs to the alphabetic data. Last one is alphanumeric. It consists of both numeric values, alphabetic values, and special characters. It consists of numbers, symbols, special characters, and alphabets. Example, today's date in English. Like we can see, 15th is the numeric data, May is the alphabetic data, and 2026 is the numeric data. But these two values are separated by using comma, which is a special symbol. So we can say it is an example of alphanumeric data. I hope this lesson will help you to understand what is data and the different forms of data. If you have any query, we will discuss in the class. Allah Hafiz.